When helping your loved ones who are elderly in the situation of long-term care, one of the key components that I could advise you on is don't make the situation worse. You usually can make the situation worse when you think you understand what you're doing in this process without consulting an attorney. Often people come into my office years later down the road telling me, well, we didn't want to hire an attorney because attorneys are too expensive and we didn't want to spend the money. Well, now the damage is done. And there's really little an elder law attorney can do for you years after you've already given away the money or caused some kind of serious mistake. So first off, don't make the situation worse. And now, one of the ways that you can make the situation worse is by not doing anything. Sitting around and just waiting for the inevitable to happen and not protecting mom or dad's estate is a serious error in any kind of elder law planning. Allowing mom or dad to run out of money, then contacting a lawyer for assistance is a bad idea. Most attorneys in elder law know the procedures of how to protect some of the assets so mom and dad can get more than the $60 that's allotted to them if they're in a nursing home. And that's why I said $60. So if you get into a nursing home, run out of money, and Medicaid starts paying for your care, your mom and dad will only usually, there's some qualifications to that, but usually they're only going to get $60. That's not enough to pay for the type of care that you're going to need. So the first thing I want you to know is take action, take control of the situation, and get professional help. If you're acting as their power of attorney, you are their fiduciary. That means that you have some duties prescribed by law. One's going to be, you must act in good faith. Do nothing beyond the authority granted to you. You must be loyal to your mom and dad's best interest. Kids want to come into my office and mom's incapacitated and they say, well, we have decided that we think it's in the best interest of mom if we just give all of mom's property to us. Well, if mom doesn't have the mental capacity to gift property, how is she really gifting the property? And we're going to talk about this later and the importance of this and understanding the complexities of the gifting rule on whether or not that is in your mother's best interest. But it's also not in your mother's best interest for you just to sit around and do nothing and her not have any money, and 3 or 4 years down the road, she wants to buy an iPad. Well, that's going to be a serious problem that you didn't take initiative and control over the estate. So one of the key points here is I want to stress the fact that you should take control of the situation. We're going to talk about the waiver programs. And the waiver programs are waiving the requirement that mom or dad be in a nursing home. And so we're going to talk about how you can get mom or dad to be able to stay home but still get assistance from the government. Now this gets very complicated, so it's going to require a whole section on this, but I want you to kind of give you guys a head start on where we're going with this and the requirements and everything that are necessary in order to qualify for Medicaid long-term care.